Hello, and welcome to a presentation on creating a manufacturer and one product with multiple options on Opencart using Tally. In our earlier videos, we'd seen how we can create single product with single option on Opencart using Tally. Similarly, we'd also seen how we can map one product with multiple options created on Opencart to individual products on Tally. Now, let's check out how we can create one product with multiple options on Opencart using Tally. To create a manufacturer, we will create/alter a stock group by selecting Gateway of Tally, Inventory Info, Stock Group, Create/alter, give the manufacturer's name, if in Create mode, set appropriate parent of the stock group, set Treat as Manufacturer to Yes, accept the screen. Tally will now create a manufacturer on the Opencart API, and open the relevant backend page. Tally will also update the manufacturer ID on Opencart as alias in the stock group master. Next, we will create single product with multiple options on Opencart using Tally.ERP9. To do this, we will again create a stock group. Note that we are creating stock group, and not individual stock items. For the relevant product code to do this, we'll select Inventory Info at Gateway of Tally, Stock Group, and Create, give the product code and manufacturer name, or any other name, as may be needed on Opencart, set other appropriate parameters, and select the earlier created manufacturer as the parent. Next, we will set Treat as stock item for Opencart to Yes, and set API details to Yes. This will open Opencart API details page. We will give the relevant details. Like tags, this can be helpful for users to search products through search engines like Google, categories, relevant products, to show similar or relevant products to the one customer is currently checking out. The store ID could be multiple stores on which the product needs to be shown. Meta description, meta keyword, meta title, model, manufacturer, the one we created earlier, shows up here for selection, size, dimensions, and weight details, location, tax class, whether or not product requires shopping, COURL. A unique web page gets created by setting a unique COURL, product SKU, UPC, IN, JAN, ISBN, MPN codes, the total quantity of the product to be shown on Opencart, the minimum quantity required to be selected on Opencart, whether to subtract stock or not, on order placement, out of stock status, whether a product needs to be shown in stock or not, base price of the product. This is important and will become relevant on options detail page. Next we will set sub item details or options details to Yes, and provide details relevant to each option, like option ID, based on stock categories created in Tally, quantity of the option, minimum quantity that needs to be ordered, and price variation from the base price we earlier set. For example, here we are setting price variations to 0, 50 and 100 respectively for the three products. This will update the pricing appropriately on Opencart and create three stock items under the stock group we are currently creating now. Let's save the screen and add images for the product. Next we will set Post to API to Yes, and save both the screens. Tally will now start two processes, one after the other. First it'll create relevant product with multiple options on Opencart, and get the product ID. Next it'll create separate stock items under the stock group in Tally, duly setting the product ID and option ID as alias for stock item. It'll also update the product ID as alias to the stock group. As you can see, all the relevant details are duly filled on Opencart and all the options are duly created in Tally too. Hope this video was informative. For more details do visit https://www.tallyecom.in. Thank you.